Today we are going to start our new chapter, Powers and Exponents. We all know that 100 is equal to 110 squared. That is 10 times 10. 2 times 10. Okay. Then we are multiplying 2 times 10 itself. That is the 100 squared. In case of 1000, we can write it as 10 times 10 times 10. That is 10 we are multiplying 3 times. So we can write it as 10 raised to 3 or 10 cubed. So here we know that here 10 squared, and then we all are familiar with the 10 raised to 4. Okay, how can we read it? 10 raised to the power of 4. 10 raised to the power of 4. So we can read it as 10 raised to 4 or 10 raised to the power of 4 and so on. Here also 10 raised to the power of 3. So 10 raised to the power of 2. Clear? So here this one we can say as fourth power of 10. Fourth power of 10. Third power of 10. Then second power of 10. Clear? What is that power? That is a squared. Then what is representing here? That is the power or exponent. Power or exponent. Clear? This is known as, which number is there? That is known as base. Here in this case 8 raised to 5. 5 is the power or exponent. Then 8 is the base. So we can say that 8 raised to the power of 5. Simply we can say that 8 raised to 5. Oh, okay. Or 5 is the power or exponent and 8 is the power. Now we can say fifth power of 8. That is 8. Then 8 raised to 2. 8 raised to 3 and so on. Here third power of 8. Second power of 8. First power of 8. That is 8 itself. Clear? Now we know that is 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. That is 1000. We can write it as 10 raised to 3. Meter will be 1 kilometer. Got it? Also we know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Now we can say 10 square centimeter is equal to 1 meter. That is 100. We can write it as 10 squared. 1000 we can write it as 10 raised to 3. Okay. Now we can write 8 as the power of 2. So how can we write? Here 8 we have to divide by 2. Okay. Then 4 are there. Again 2. Then 2 will be there. We can stop it. Here 1 and 2 only. By 1 no use. So we can keep it there itself. Okay. So 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. Then we can write this one as 2 cubed is equal to 8. Got it? So now we can say third power of 2 is 8. Now try this page number 251. You can see one question 729 as power of 3. That is here 729 we can divide by 3. Then 1, 2, 3s are 6. Then 12 will be there. How can we write this one? Then 3. That is 729 divided by 3. Okay. Then 2 3s are 6. Then subtraction 12. 4. Again 12. Then again subtraction but nothing is there. Then write down this 9. 3 3s are 9. Okay. So that this 243 will be here. Okay. Then by 3. 8 3s are 24. 1 3 is 3. Then by 3 that is 27. By 3 that is 9 by 3, then 3 itself. Now we can write how many times? 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. How many times? 2, 4, 6. We can write this one as 3 raised to 6. Okay. Next question is 128 as a power of 2. So 128 we can divide by 2, even number. Then 64, again by 2, 32, then by 2, 16, again by 2, that is 8, by 2, that is 4, again by 2, 2 will be there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 raised to 7 is the answer. Next, 343 as a power of 7. So 343 by 2 by 7. Then 7 fours are 28. Then 63. 9 sevens are 63. 49 again by 7. 7 and 7. Okay. So now we can write this one as 7 into 7 into 7. That is 3 times. So 7 raised to 3 is the answer. Okay. We can discuss 13.1 also. There, the first question is find the value of 2 raised to 6. That is 2 raised to 6. What is the value? How much will be there? 2 raised to 6. That is, what is its meaning? That is 2 times 2 times 2 times. How many times? 6 times. 2 repeated 6 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 32 2s are 64. So 2 raised to 6 equal to 64. Then next one is 9 raised to 3. What is that? 9 times 9 times 9. So 9 9s are 81. 81 times 9 is equal to 729. Okay, then 11 squared. That is 11 times 11. What is that? 121. Then 5 raised to 4. That is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Here 5 5s are 25. Here also 25. 25 times 25. 625 is the answer. 625. Got it? Next question is express the following in exponential form. That is 6 times 6 times 6. How many times? 6 raised to 4. This is the exponential form of this one. How many times these bases repeated? This 6 is the base, 4 is the power or exponent. Next one is t times t. That is t squared. Okay. Then b times b times b times b. How many? b raised to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is very easy chapter. 5 times 5 multiplied by 7 times 7. Here 2 numbers are there. So we can't write it 57 raised to 2. We can't write like this way. We have to write it separately. That is 5 times 5. That is 5 squared. Multiplied by 7 times 7. That is 7 squared. This is the exponential form of this multiplication. Next, we have to write separate, okay. 2 times 2, then a times a. That is 2 times 2, 2 squared multiplied by a into a squared. Okay, next question. A times a, then c times c, then d. That is a raised to 3 multiplied by c raised to 3 multiplied by d. This is the exponential form. D, nothing is there as power. If there is no power, we have to think about 1. That is d multiplied only 1 time. So d raised to 1. But the answer will be same. So if 1 is the power, we don't want to write it. We don't want to mention that. If you write that, no problem, we can write it. Okay. Next, exponential notation. We have to convert. That is 512. We have to divide this one by 2. Here we have to divide by using prime numbers. Okay. That is 2. Then 256 again by 2, that is 128. Then 2, 64. Then 2, that is 32 by 2, 16. Again by 2, 8, 2, 9. Then 3 and 3. 8, 4, no, sorry. 4 will be there. Then 2 and 2. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can write this one as 2 raised to 9. Okay. Next one is 343. We can divide by 7. Then that is equal to 49. We have done this now. That is 7 itself. So 7 raised to 3. Then next one 729. We can divide this one by 3. That is equal to 243. Again by 3. 81 by 3. That is 27 by 3. That is 9 by 3. 3 itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 raised to 6. Okay. Sorry. 3 raised to 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 raised to 6. Next one is 3125. We can divide this one by only 5. Okay. 5 is a prime number. So that is equal to 625. Again by 5. That will be 125. Again by 5. That will be 25. Then 5 times 5, 25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write this one as 5 raised to 5. Okay. Now we have to do fourth group, that is identify the greater number. That is 4 raised to 3 or 3 raised to 4. How can we? Here 4 raised to 3. What is its meaning? 4 times 4 times 4. The value is 48. Okay. 3 raised to 4. That is 3 times 3. Then 3 times 3. That is 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81. So here 81 is greater than 48. So now we can say 3 raised to 4 is greater than 4 raised to 3. Okay. What is the value? According to that we have to find out which one is greater. Okay. Then 5 raised to 3 or 3 raised to 5. Here 5 raised to 3. 5 times 5 times 5. That is equal to 125. Then 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Again 3. That is equal to 243. Here 243 is greater than 125. So here 3 raised to 5 is greater than 5 raised to 3. Next question is 2 raised to 8 or 8 raised to 2. That is 2 raised to 8. How many times? That is equal to 2 times 2. Then 2. Now 2. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The answer is 256. 8 squared. That is 8 into 8 is equal to 64. So it's very clear 256 is greater than 64. So 2 raised to 8 is greater than 8 raised to 2. Okay. So think about 2 raised to 8 and 8 raised to 2. Here base is 2, power is greater. Okay. Now 100 square and 2 raised to 100. So here 2 raised to 100. Here this is greater. So 2 raised to 100 is greater than 100 squared. Here 2 raised to 10 and 10 squared. So 2 raised to 10 is the greatest one. Next question. Express the following as product of powers of their prime factors. That is 648. We have to divide this by prime numbers. Every questions are same like this way itself. Okay. By 2. That is equal to 324. Again by 2. 162. By 2. That is 30. 81. Then by 2. Not possible. So by 3. This is odd number. Odd number we can't completely divide by 2. There will be remainder. So 27, then by 3, 9, then by 3, 3 will be there. So 1, 2, 3. So 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 raised to 4. How many times? 4 times. Okay. So next one is 405. We can divide this by 5. That is 135. Then by 3 we can do the smallest prime number, that is, no, this is not. So 405 we can do by 3, smallest one, that is 135. Then again we can divide by 3, that is 45. Again by 3, that is 15. Again by 3, then 5. Okay, I think we have to use the smallest prime numbers first. Okay, so 3 times 3 times 3 times 5. Okay, that is 3 raised to 4, then 5. Then next one is 540. We can divide this by 2. That is 270. Again by 2, that is 135. Then by 3, that is 45. Then by 3, that is 15. By 3, that is 5. So we can write this one as 2 raised to 2, 1, 2. Then 3 raised to 3, then 5 raised to 1. That is 5 itself. Okay. The next part is simplify. Other two question, one question you can do yourself. Okay. Then simplify. 2 times 10 raised to 3. That is 2 times 10 times 10 times 10. How many times? 3 times. So 2 times 1000. The value is 2000. This is the simplification. We have to find the value. Okay. Then 7 squared. Then 2 squared. 7 into 7, 49. Then 2 into 2, 4. The answer is 196. Okay. Then 2 raised to 3 times 5. 2 times 2 times 2. That is 8. 8 times 5 is equal to 40 is the answer. Got it? Then 0 times 10 squared. If we multiplied by a number by 0, always the answer will be 0 itself. Okay. So 0 itself. Clear? Next, 5 squared, then 3 raised to 3. That is 5 times 5, then 3 times 3 times 3. That is 25 times 27. Answer is 675. Got it? I think remaining works you can do. It is very easy just to multiply the numbers. How many times that repeated? That is represented by the power or exponential. Then next one is negative 4 the whole cube. What is that? Negative 4 into negative 4 into negative 4. The answer is 4 times 4 times 4, 64. But here 3 times repeated. So negative will be there. Then one thing, negative how many times repeated? If it is repeated odd number of times, that is 1 times or 3 times, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Only if the negative is repeating the odd number of times, then the answer will be negative itself. Then, but if the negative is repeated even number of times, the answer will be positive. Example, here negative 4 raised to 3. 3 is odd number, answer also negative itself. But if it was negative 4 raised to 2, 2 is an even number. So, negative 4 multiplied by negative 4. 4 4s are 16. Negative into negative, positive. So, positive is the answer. Got it? So, you don't forget this one. Next part is question number 8. Compare the following numbers. 2.7 multiplied by 10 raised to 12 and 1.5 multiplied by 10 raised to 8. Here 10 raised to 12 is greater than 10 raised to 8. So this part will be greater. That is 2.7 multiplied by 10 square is greater than 1.5 multiplied by 10 raised to 8. Why? Because this much zeros will be there. So multiplying time this number will be automatically greater than this one. Okay. So for the next one, 4 multiplied by 10 raised to 14 and 3 multiplied by 10 raised to 17. So which one? Here 10 raised to 17. 17 is greater than 14. So base is same. So at that time 10 raised to 17 is greater than 10 raised to 14. That is 4 times 10 raised to 14 is smaller than 3 times 10 raised to 17. Okay. 14 is smaller than 17. Got it? I think you got the idea about this exponential and powers. Okay, exponential form will be the exponent will be the powers are the exponent and power is same. Okay. Then here you have to remember this thing. Negative raised to odd number is equal to negative. Negative raised to even number will be positive. Okay. Thank you.